She was a student.
Yeah.
I went on a dig.
They fell in love.
Like run up. Run up. Well, amazing. This is the oldest city in the world, right?
Oldest city in the world.
I'm
not going to complain about anything. Yeah.
One of my advice.
I mean, was it long and stuff? Was it empty houses?
Definitely. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, I forgot. I boarded a couple of jackets.
We're standing on top of the Tell. We haven't said that we were really on top of the Tell. We said there was a Tell over there at Bet Shean or other places, but now we're on top of the Tell. If you look out, you can see that we're quite a ways above the city of Jericho, which is 1,000 feet below sea level.
Oh my God.
But here are the Judean hills, okay? And these peak out, and the peaks behind us here are 3,000 feet. So when it rains up on this side, some percolation, the water comes underground in aquifers and then surfaces here in Jericho. And in the Bible, in the 2 Kings, it says the city of palms. So the palms, nobody planted them. They were indigenous because this is where the water came out, and so this could always support some kind of life. And so when you walk around on these tells over here, if you want to, you will find little things. They're not quite as easy to find as they were before. And technically, we're not supposed to pick up anything now. But in those days, they didn't even tell us we couldn't do that. And so people did.